Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a mask text frame effect using Canva. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to elements. We're going to select a letter frame. Now we're going to add our image. We're going to adjust the size of the image. Once it is adjusted, we're going to save it as a transparent PNG. Once our download is completed, we're going to re-upload to Canva. Now we're going to get rid of this one. We're going to adjust the size. Now we're going to duplicate. Now we're going to go to edit photos. We're going to select shadows, glow, and then we're going to adjust the size of this one to make it match the back one. Once that step is completed, we're going to send this one to the back. After sending it to the back, we're going to select our image. Now we're going to go to edit photos. We're going to remove background. Now we're going to adjust the size of this to match the one in the frame. Okay, so now we're going to crop. Now you can add whatever elements you want to add to it. So I'm going to add a background to mine. I'm going to change the color. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.